my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Khushboo Soni, your virtual dentist. Today, let's debunk the myth. Do you really need to floss? Myth. Flossing isn't necessary if you brush well. Truth. Brushing cleans the surface, but flossing removes food particles and plaque between teeth. Best practice. Floss daily to prevent cavities and gum disease. Flossing is essential for a healthy smile. Remember, always consult with your dentist because your dentist knows best. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more dental tips. Your grin or win.